Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain. Hey, when we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all, we think say na for only social media, not this old thing for the auto. Hey, behind social media, there is fire on the mountain. My lovely fans, this is not what Grandpapa bargained for. Neither did Yo bargain for this. But what they are seeing, it shock them. Waiting that they see, it shock them. Because everything now don't backfire. Operation return back to sender. Behind closed door, Yo and Grandpapa, they are hearing it all. They are hearing it all. If mad person no get shame, if family suppose get shame. That's why you see mad person, he go the mad, they go for streets. But now the family members, now they pursue and they go hide the shame. Yo was a shame and a disgrace to his family. They all fold their hands and said, oh, he's old enough, they can't talk to him. How can okra be taller than the owner and the owner say cannot break it? You can break it at any time you want. As long as that okra is under you, Yo cannot be man enough as long as they answer that surname Edoche. He cannot be man enough when the papa no fit bring him down and talk to him. Now see the shame and disgrace when you don't break. This shame and disgrace now it does cause kasala. When we think say Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Ota is going through a lot. Juju Ekwensu they enjoy because compared to what you is going through, Juju Ekwensu they enjoy. But you see this matter where they happen, that they drag Grandpapa like tomorrow no day. That they drag him. This thing does not only affect you, it also affects his father. I make you need to let your child know where they are coming from. You forgot where he's coming from. Forgot that they have a name to protect. Forget that he gets background to protect. Instead, he go mingle himself with people where go bring shame and disgrace and destroy his background. You have destroyed his background. Everything does scatter. Hey, my people, make una carry shell, carry joko, make una come here matter. The elders of Yo village, they don't take action for this matter. You see this matter where they grant so. Where will they talk for social media like this? Behind social media, behind closed door. In the village of Itenje, war is going on. War. Do you know that the elders of Itenje, they don't send message, go give Grandpapa? Not the elders of your family, the elders of the village. You know, say every family get their elders. Then we get the village elders. Now the village elders, now send message, go give Grandpapa. Remember, say, now your family elders, they call us since then. This time around, the matter don't come up from your family members. It has not passed to your village elders. The village elders have called Grandpapa. According to what we hear, they say they call Grandpapa, they tell Grandpapa, say, make it a come village, na, for his own good. If he like, he come. If you like, he not come. anything wey you see, make it take am. Na the same story now. They tell grandpapa say, if you like, you come. If you like, you not come. And if you don't come, anything una see, una take am. That grandpapa rush to the village. On getting to the village, now they tell grandpapa say, now your son, you, now they get message for. But they don't want to set eyes on your son. That's why they invited you. They tell grandpapa make he sit down. The old man come sit down. Now they tell grandpapa say, your son committed abomination. Your son slept with a married woman. A man that comes here to practice traditionalists. A man that wears a red cap. Go dey sleep with another person's wife. Now they tell grandpapa say, hope you know the consequences. They say grandpapa come put head for ground. The old man come dey shake his head. Aye. Now they tell grandpapa say, they not call your son come here because he's already a cursed man. It is an alum, a forbidden thing to sleep with a married woman. A married woman is like a deity. It's like a juju when they put for one place. It's like a juju where they know they go, they wake up. When you wake it up, there are consequences you might face. They tell grandpapa say, your son is already a cursed son. The consequences of you sleeping with Mr. Obasi's wife, there are things they need to do before it backfire. Now they tell grandpapa say, see, you see Ezemo for there, the chief priest of the land. That is how far they've gone for this matter. It is a forbidden thing. Forbidden in their land. You have bring a stain to their land. Now they tell grandpapa say, you need to go and do the needful. They give you from now till 21 days. They say they give you from now till 21 days. After 21 days, if you not do the needful, the chief priest Ezemo will do the needful for him by sending the wrath of the gods upon him. The land will not be stained with the evil of you. Now they tell grandpapa say, grandpapa, for you being a partaker of this whole thing, knowing fully well that your son kept a married woman inside and under his roof, even sees the children of this man. It's a forbidden thing in an Igbo land. Be you a chief title man, you suppose know that as long as the father of the children that paid bride price on the head of the woman, another man cannot claim the children. Another man can never, ever. If to say Mr. Obasi not pay bride price, he has no mouth to talk. If he even talks, if the gods will strike him because he bring dishonor to that woman. Now they tell grandpapa say, you know, say Mr. Obasi pay Juju Ekwensu bride price. In this life, in the next life, in million generation to come, Mr. Obasi don't already buy that generation. As long as he brought honor to Juju Ekwensu, he did not pregnate Juju Ekwensu and abandon her. He paid a bride price. Everything that comes out from Juju Ekwensu belongs to Mr. Obasi. Belongs to him. So now they tell and say, those children belongs to him. And it is a forbidden thing for that man to be dragging his children with another man. Because your son is the one covering them. Your son is the one hiding them from their father, which is a forbidden thing. The grandpapa say, because of that thing we wanna do, his children, his grandchildren, his great-grandchildren, his great-great-grandchildren, his unborn great-grandchildren, they will all be cursed. Yes, they will all be cursed, except grandpapa rush and do the needful. They tell grandpapa, say, make go buy goats, make he go buy fowl, make he go bring red oil, make he go bring, they begin to name things. Make grandpapa go bring her. Make it take clean a family from this abomination when you bring come. My lovely fans, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. Thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all abundantly. Amen. My people, body compose grandpapa. They tell grandpapa, say, go buy these ingredients. Make the thing go do the cleansing. To purify you and all your children up to your great unborn grandchildren. If not, this abomination, it will be passed on and on to them. Because the consequences is yet to come. The consequences are yet to come. Before it come, go and do the needful. My lovely fans, they tell grandpapa, say they give you 21 days. 21 days to come and do the needful. To come and purify himself. To come and do cleansing. If he refuse after 21 days, you will be banished. If he refuse after 21 days, you will be banished from Intenje. They will bring him to Intenje. They will tie snake, that shell of snake. They will tie him for his neck. They will tie him for his hand. They will tie him for his leg. They play bed, they play band, carry leaf, they chase him out of Intenje. Not be say band. If the band person go still come back, they will chase him. They will banish him. Enough it tell person say he come from Intenje. The day we talk and something go strike him. They say he need to do the cleansing. 21 days. 21 days. And after he do the cleansing, he must return Mr. Obasi children back to Mr. Obasi. He must. Because Mr. Obasi children staying in his house is a curse. Enough he purify himself, clean himself, and keep Mr. Obasi children under his roof. But one dash shall never end. Though. They say you if you not do this thing before 21 days, they will chase him out of Intenje. You need to go to the village and do a proper cleansing. Why grandpapa needs 7 days, just 7 days, to purify and cleanse all his children to his unborn generation. Shall una don't see the way generation cost they start. Person go sleep with another man's wife. Unborn great-grandchildren that are yet to be born. The curse is already on the ground. The curse is already the ground. You see reason why many people, if they won't marry, they'll go see her, they'll go afar, they'll go anywhere at all. They will go to go and check that family. Because sometimes some family, they carry curse when you don't know. Grandpapa Pete need to go and do this thing before 7 days to set all his generation free. If not, that curse go dey there. But nobody know the consequences of the curse. That is the worst part of abomination. That's why you don't need to put your hand. If marriage tire you, they go. End down immediately. Carry the money, force and give the man the bride price. Go and sleep with who you want to sleep with. If you be man, your gbola dey scratch you. Go carry Olosho. Olosho dey there for a reason. Go knack Olosho. Olosho no go ask you number. Nana can go, give me my money, I give you your enjoyment. Why will another man's wife enter your eye? There are consequences. Because you know why it is dangerous. It comes in different form. So you see all the daughters of a family, all of them will marry, they will divorce. No one they stay husbands. Sometimes it's generation curse. You see some, they'll go husbands, they're not the born. Now so you see some, all the boys in that family, they'll just be useless. No one will go get head. Curse. No, God did not create us into this world with all these things. As we enter the world now, we come Jama. God created you so clean that you don't need to lack anything. But the moment we step our feet in this world, who knows what our great-grandfather, what they don't do, they wait for person. The moment you begin to bear that surname, the moment they blend that person into that family, you don't be a partaker. So they say, make grandpapa go do what he need to do. 7 days. Now they give him to do what he won't do. Then you 21 days. Now they give him. Hey! Because of Juju Ekwe Sukbekos. Because of Juju Ekwe Sukbekos. Fire on the mountain. Matter to reach village. The one way they go on for social media. I wish now only social media. Now this sort of thing they happen if for good. But what is happening behind closed door is worse than social media. Do you know what it is to call somebody for village, not your family, village elders, to carry an old man like Grandpapa Pete sit down and tell him to his face that your son was sleeping with a married woman? My lovely fans, wonder shall never end though. The elders did not keep mouths closed. They tell Grandpapa to his face, say, you knows everything. They say you know that your son was sleeping with a married woman and you kept it quiet. That another man's children were there and you kept quiet. For that, you brought the curse also upon yourself. Hey, my lovely fans, this matter go long go. This matter go long. Don't sleep with people's wife, they not go here. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.